I have got to start looking for a job.
Welcome to the job search experience. You're currently located in the dorm, which acts as the main hub where you can move around with the controller pad and interact with the door for teleporting to other scenes and the desktop to find helpful guides and example resumes. Like the rest of the app, you will interact with objects like the desktop by aiming the laser at the desktop and pressing the primary trigger on the controller. Note, you can also use the back button on the controller to go back or exit the current menu.
All students and alumni will be able to access the portal with their student login. Welcome to the University of South Carolina's Handshake, the career network for college students and recent grads. Handshake is the place where students, career centers, and recruiters Before you begin applying for a job, you must have a resume ready to advertise yourself. We will show you how your resume should look like and how to upload it on Handshake. Navigate to your name on the upper right corner and select Documents in the drop-down. You will be directed to this.
Next, if you interact with the door, a list of locations will appear, allowing you to select the location you wish to teleport to.
The USC Career Center is open and available to all students to help students review resumes, practice interviewing skills, and even find jobs through the USC Job Search and other resources available. Click on the door to enter.
When you teleport to one of the other locations besides the dorm, you can advance by looking around for blue gates or using the return button on the controller to open the campus map to quickly get to another location. Make sure to look around at these locations, as there will be helpful tips floating around as you hover your laser over it. Thank you for using the app, and continue watching the video to learn more about the app.
You've got mail.
Hi, I'm a recruiter from Employment Incorporated. We picked up your resume from the career fair at the University of South Carolina. You look like a great candidate for our job opening. Are you free for a few short questions? Great. We just have a few questions, since your resume looked so good. How would you describe yourself? I see, and what kind of work ethic would you say you have? One last thing, there are a few skills missing from your resume. Are you okay to going through a short training? Great. That looks like all I needed to ask. We'll get back to you soon with all the details you'll need to move forward with us. Have a great day.